A few strong storms and penny-sized hail as we are watching the radar as we move through your Wednesday. Take a look at StormView Doppler radar. We just want to give you an update on the latest weather situation, as we know a lot of you may be out and about running errands this afternoon ahead of Thanksgiving for tomorrow. We have just a few cells to the north of Kansas City. These storms are moving at 85 miles per hour off towards the east, and they have had a history of producing penny-sized hail, pushing out of St. Joe very quickly within the last few minutes here, now approaching Cameron, right over Maysville, and this will continue right along Highway 36, affecting Hamilton and possibly Lawson, but most of this will stay just off to your north. And we've got one other small cell just off towards the south and the west of Chillicothe. And for the bulk of our viewing area, it is very quiet, but all of our viewing area is under the threat for strong storms. As we move through this afternoon, we've got about a 40% chance of seeing these storms for today. Any that do fire up between now and 5 o'clock will have the potential of creating some large hail and potentially damaging winds as well. So as you're out and about running your errands for today, before you leave the door, you may want to check out on our website, KNBC.com. You can check out the radar in your neighborhood, and also stay tuned here on KNBC. We will keep you up to date on the very latest. That is the very latest from the First Alert Weather Center.